Hi guys, welcome to my channel how to download Gigabyte gaming box driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this official website. After that this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of gaming box AORUS RTX 2080 Ti gaming box, and then click on the product and then click on the name of the title and then click on support, and then select the operating system Windows 7, 10, 11. So all operating system installations process same and media driver, and click to download. This is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see, and it is completed 4 to 5 minutes. After I show you installations process and click to download. So you can see it is start downloading, and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After the open this location where it is downloading, okay, then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that click on yes, and then click on install. After that this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing, so it will take some time, and it is close after install, then close it.